Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about the ways to change dates on booking.com. If you made changes with your plans and want to change your date on booking.com, then here's the simple steps on how you can do it. So first, make sure that you're connected to an internet service. Next thing you want to do is go ahead and log into your booking.com account. Once you're logged into your booking.com account, tap on the tab bar icon from the top left hand side bar. As soon as you click on it, you could see this sort of page. So here you want to go to trips. As you go to trip, you could see the reservation that you've made. So here, click on the reservation or the three dot icon next to it. If you scroll down a bit, you could find this option as change dates. However, this is only available for limited options. This option won't appear, then you need to contact the support team or you need to contact the manager itself, and they should be able to make some changes. And next thing, when you've actually made the changes, you could go and enter in the details when you actually want the date to be changed for, and click on the calendar, all that, and confirm it so, and click on check availability and confirm it so. So this way you'll be able to make changes with dates on booking.com. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.